Today, I want to talk about something that touches every one of us, no matter who we are, where we come from, or how much we earn. Building wealth. Now, before you think that I don't earn much, let me stop you right there. Building wealth is not reserved for the wealthy or the lucky. It is something that anyone can achieve with the right mindset, habits, and strategies. It doesn't matter if your paycheck is modest or if you're just starting out in your career. What matters is the approach you take. Wealth is less about how much money you make and more about what you do with what you have. First, let's talk about the foundation of wealth, mindset. Many people assume that building wealth requires a huge salary, a windfall inheritance, or some brilliant stock market strategy. But that's not true. Wealth begins in the mind. It begins with the belief that you can take control of your financial future, that your circumstances today do not define your opportunities tomorrow. People who build wealth on modest incomes share one common trait. They make intentional choices with their money, rather than letting their money control them. They prioritize long-term growth over short-term gratification. So the first step in building wealth is shifting your perspective. Understand that no matter your current income, you have the power to grow your financial resources over time. Wealth is created in small, consistent steps, not sudden leaps. Once you've embraced the right mindset, the next step is learning to live below your means. I know this might sound like an obvious tip, but it is often the hardest to implement. Living below your means does not mean living a life of deprivation. It simply means spending less than you earn and being conscious of where your money goes. For someone earning a modest income, this is crucial because every dollar saved is a dollar that can be put to work building your future. Start by tracking your expenses. Understand your spending habits. Many people earn a decent income but are broke at the end of the month simply because they spend without a plan. By identifying unnecessary expenses and cutting them out, you free up money that can be saved or invested. And the beauty of this principle is that it works at any income level. Even if you are earning a small salary, if you spend intentionally, you can save money and start building wealth. The third step in building wealth is creating an emergency fund. This is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, one unexpected event can derail your entire financial plan. Even if you're earning a small income, start by saving a small portion of your paycheck each month until you have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This may take time, but consistency is key. Every little bit adds up, and having an emergency fund not only protects you from financial setbacks, but also gives you peace of mind, which is invaluable when it comes to making smart financial decisions. Once you have a safety net, the next step is to pay off debt. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards or payday loans, is one of the biggest obstacles to building wealth. When you're paying interest every month, your money is going to banks instead of to your future. Start by identifying your debts and creating a plan to pay them down. One effective strategy is the snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest, pay off the smallest debt first, and then roll that payment into the next debt. This creates momentum and a psychological boost as you see progress. Another strategy is the avalanche method, where you prioritize paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first. Either method works as long as you stay consistent. By eliminating debt, you free up cash flow that can then be redirected towards saving and investing, which is how wealth truly grows. Speaking of investing, let's address what many people believe is only for the wealthy. Investing is not reserved for millionaires. It's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth over time, and you can start with almost any amount. The key is to start early and be consistent. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Even small investments, when made consistently, can grow into substantial wealth over decades. If your employer offers a retirement plan, take advantage of it. Contribute even a small percentage of your income and gradually increase it over time. If you don't have access to a retirement plan, there are other options like low-cost index funds or dividend-paying stocks. The principle remains the same. Invest what you can regularly and let time work in your favor. Another important aspect of building wealth is increasing your income over time. While it's true that you can save and invest on a modest income, the faster you can grow your earning potential, the faster your wealth can grow. This doesn't necessarily mean switching jobs frequently or chasing the highest paying position immediately. It means consistently improving your skills, expanding your knowledge, and seeking opportunities that allow you to earn more value in the marketplace. This could be through further education, certifications, learning new skills, or starting a side hustle. The key is to make incremental improvements to your income, which, when combined with disciplined saving and investing, accelerates wealth building. Another principle that often gets overlooked is the importance of financial literacy. Understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to make it grow is fundamental. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. This doesn't mean you need to become a financial expert overnight. Start small. Read books, follow reputable financial blogs, or listen to podcasts about personal finance. Learn the basics of budgeting, investing, taxes, and credit. The knowledge you gain will allow you to make smarter decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and take advantage of opportunities that others might miss. Building wealth is as much about knowledge as it is about money itself. One powerful strategy to build wealth, especially for those earning modest incomes, is focusing on multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one source of income is risky and limits your potential. Look for ways to diversify your earnings. This could be through part-time work, freelancing, online businesses, or passive income streams such as royalties or rental income. Each additional stream of income increases your financial resilience and accelerates wealth building. Even small streams, when combined, can significantly impact your overall financial picture. An essential part of wealth building that is often underestimated is patience and consistency. There is no overnight formula to becoming wealthy. It requires discipline, delayed gratification, and a long-term perspective. Many people give up too soon because they don't see immediate results. But wealth built on a modest income is like planting a tree. It starts small, grows steadily, and eventually bears fruit. The key is to stay the course, maintain your savings and investment habits, and continue to educate yourself about personal finance. Over time, these small, consistent actions accumulate into significant financial growth. Finally, I want to emphasize the power of intentionality. Every dollar you earn is a tool that can work for you if you use it wisely. Being intentional with your money means making conscious decisions about how you spend, save, and invest. It means setting clear financial goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Wealth is not just about numbers in a bank account. It's about the freedom, security, and opportunities that money can provide. When you are intentional with your financial choices, you are actively shaping your future rather than leaving it to chance. In conclusion, building wealth on any salary, even a modest one, is absolutely possible. It requires the right mindset, living below your means, creating an emergency fund, eliminating debt, investing consistently, increasing your income, and gaining financial literacy. It requires patience, multiple streams of income, and above all, intentionality. Remember, wealth is not about how much you earn today. It's about what you do consistently over time. Every small step matters, and even modest actions can lead to extraordinary results when compounded over years. No matter where you are right now, no matter how small your income may seem, you have the power to take control of your financial future. Wealth is not a dream reserved for a lucky few. It is a goal achievable by anyone who is willing to take deliberate action, make smart choices, and stay committed. Start today, start small, and let time and consistency do the rest. Your financial freedom is within your reach, and it all begins with a decision to take control of your money and use it as a tool to build the life you want. Mindset and intentionality are the foundation of building wealth, and it is here that the journey truly begins. Wealth is not simply about how much money you earn. It is about how you think about money and the decisions you make with it. It begins in the mind, with a deep-seated belief that you have the power to take control of your financial future. Many people make the mistake of thinking that their current circumstances, perhaps a modest salary, debt, or other financial challenges, define what they are capable of achieving. The truth is that your present situation is not a permanent sentence. Every step you take, no matter how small, can move you closer to financial freedom, but it starts with believing that you are capable of creating wealth. People who are successful in building wealth on modest incomes share one critical trait: they do not leave their financial future to chance. They make deliberate choices, and they understand that every dollar they earn has the potential to work for them if used wisely. This does not mean they are obsessed with money or deprive themselves of every small pleasure, but they are intentional about where their money goes. Every decision, from what they spend on daily necessities to how much they save to the way they invest, is guided by a long-term perspective. They understand that the power of money grows over time when it is managed deliberately rather than spent impulsively. Being intentional also means prioritizing your financial goals over short-term desires. In a world where instant gratification is everywhere, it can be tempting to spend money on things that bring immediate satisfaction. However, people who build wealth learn to delay gratification. They see each decision about money as a choice between the temporary satisfaction of spending and the long-term reward of growing their financial security. This might mean passing up on unnecessary purchases, creating a budget, or finding creative ways to save without sacrificing quality of life. Over time, these small, consistent choices compound into real financial progress. Adopting a mindset of intentionality also changes the way you perceive opportunities. When you believe that every financial decision matters, you begin to notice possibilities that others overlook. You see ways to save, to invest, and to grow your income that others dismiss as trivial or impossible. You start thinking strategically about your money instead of reacting emotionally. For example, a person with this mindset might take a small amount from each paycheck to invest in a retirement account or put aside a few dollars into a high-yield savings account, knowing that these small disciplined actions will create security and wealth over time. Ultimately, mindset and intentionality are about empowerment. They are about taking ownership of your financial life and understanding that wealth is not a matter of luck, inheritance, or sudden windfalls. It is the result of consistent, purposeful action. When you embrace this principle, every financial choice becomes an opportunity to grow your resources, protect your future, and build the life you want. It is not about how much you earn today, but about the decisions you make now that set the stage for long-term prosperity. By cultivating the right mindset and practicing intentionality, you lay the groundwork for lasting financial success, no matter your current income. Living below your means and eliminating debt is one of the most powerful steps you can take toward building lasting wealth. No matter how much money you earn, if you spend it all and continue accumulating debt, you will struggle to grow your financial resources. This principle is simple in theory, but requires discipline and intentional action in practice. It begins with understanding exactly where your money goes. Many people spend their income without tracking it, often unaware of how small repeated expenses add up over time. By taking the time to track every dollar, you gain insight into your spending habits, and this is the first step toward controlling your finances instead of letting your finances control you. Once you understand your spending patterns, the next step is to cut unnecessary expenses. This does not mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making conscious choices about where your money is going. It could be as simple as making coffee at home instead of buying it every morning, reducing subscriptions you don't use, or finding more affordable alternatives for everyday purchases. These small adjustments, repeated consistently, free up money that can be redirected towards savings or debt repayment. The key is to focus on what is essential for your life and align your spending with your financial goals. Every dollar you save is a dollar that works for your future, not against it. Creating an emergency fund is a critical part of living below your means. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss can derail your progress if you're unprepared. An emergency fund provides a financial cushion, giving you the freedom to make choices without panic. Even if you start small, consistently saving a portion of your income until you have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses can make a tremendous difference. This fund protects you from falling back into debt when emergencies arise and ensures that your long-term wealth building plan stays on track. Once you have a safety net in place, focusing on eliminating debt becomes the next priority. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances or payday loans, is a major obstacle to building wealth because it diverts your money away from savings and investments and toward paying interest. Tackling debt requires strategy and persistence. One effective approach is the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first to gain momentum and motivation, or the avalanche method, where you target the highest interest debts first to minimize the cost over time. Regardless of the method you choose, the important part is consistent action. Each debt you eliminate frees up more money that you can put towards saving, investing, or further debt reduction. Living below your means is not about sacrificing happiness. It is about creating freedom Every dollar you save and every debt you pay off becomes a building block for your financial independence. It gives you control over your future, reduces stress, and creates opportunities for wealth that would otherwise be inaccessible. By committing to this principle, you are choosing to live intentionally, prioritize long-term goals over short-term desires, and create a stable foundation for your financial future. Over time, these habits compound, turning modest savings and disciplined spending into meaningful wealth. Investing and increasing your income over time is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth, and it is the step where your money begins to truly work for you. Saving alone can provide a sense of security, but it is investing that allows your money to grow and compound over time, creating real financial freedom. Many people hesitate to invest because they believe it requires a large amount of money or expert knowledge, but this is simply not true. You can start small, even with modest amounts, and the most important factors are consistency and a long-term perspective. Opening a retirement account, investing in low-cost index funds, or learning about stocks and other passive income opportunities are excellent starting points. The key is to take action rather than waiting for the perfect moment, because time is one of the most valuable assets in wealth building. Compound interest is often called the most powerful force in finance, and for good reason. Even small investments, if made regularly, can grow significantly over the years. For example, putting aside a few dollars each week may seem insignificant at first, but over decades, those contributions can grow into substantial sums due to the compounding effect. This is why starting early matters more than investing large sums later in life. Every small, consistent contribution adds up, and the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The discipline of investing regularly, regardless of the amount, is what separates those who build wealth from those who do not. At the same time, it is essential to focus on increasing your earning potential. While saving and investing are critical, there is a limit to how much you can save from a fixed income. By improving your skills, seeking additional certifications, pursuing side hustles, or exploring new career opportunities, you can increase your income over time. Even modest increases in income, when combined with disciplined saving and investing, accelerate wealth building dramatically. Think of it this way: every extra dollar you earn is not just money to spend. It is money that can be invested, multiplied, and used to secure your financial future. Combining consistent saving, smart investing, and intentional income growth creates a powerful financial strategy. Each element reinforces the other. Saving provides the foundation. Investing allows your money to grow, and increasing your income accelerates the process. This approach is accessible to anyone, regardless of their current salary, because it is built on discipline and thoughtful action rather than luck or privilege. The beauty of this strategy is that even small incremental actions, such as putting aside a few dollars each week, learning new skills, or exploring additional income opportunities, compound over time into significant wealth. Ultimately, investing and growing your income is about creating freedom and control over your financial life. It is about understanding that wealth is not a product of chance, but the result of intentional decisions made consistently over time. By starting early, staying disciplined, and continuously seeking ways to grow both your money and your earning potential, you lay the groundwork for a secure and prosperous future. Even modest earners can achieve financial independence by committing to this principle, proving that building wealth is not about how much you earn today, but what you do with your money consistently over time.